If you are wondering if you need to purchase a charger or power adapter for your Redmi A7 Pro, then the answer depends on a couple of things. So if you expect to have a charger inside the box, then in this case it also depends where you live. Because if you live in Europe, if you purchase the phone in Europe, or probably in the United States and maybe some other regions as well, then in that case the power adapter is not going to be included. So in this case, yeah, you would have to purchase the power adapter if you don't have one. And if you live in a country or region where the power adapter or power adapters in general are still included with smartphones, then in this case it's probably the same thing. So ideally you want to check the back of the box, because at the back you can find the information over here. There we go. Here you can see that we have this information. So you can check that if possible to see if the power adapter is included or not. But if you cannot check that, you can ask the person that is selling the phone to you if the charger is included. Now, if you already have a power adapter from your previous device, for example, so you have your old phone and you also use the charger for that smartphone, then most likely you can use that power adapter as well. One thing that you have to consider is, of course, the port that you have on the power adapter. The original cable that we have in here is USB-A to USB-C, so ideally you want to get a power adapter that has USB-A ports. If you already have that kind of power adapter, then it's perfect. If not, then you might need to, for example, if you have a power adapter but it has USB-C, then you'll need to use a different cable. And if you don't have a power adapter at all, then of course you can search for a power adapter with USB-A so that you don't have to then also replace the cable. So as you can see, there are a couple of things to consider, and whether you need to purchase the power adapter or not depends on your expectations. And if you don't have a power adapter at all, then you can get a 15 watts power adapter for your Redmi A7 Pro. It is going to be the best amount of watts, I mean the minimum amount of watts that the phone needs. Maybe not minimum, but the most that the phone can use in order to charge the battery is 15 watts. So if you get a power adapter that has 15 watts or more, then it's going to be perfect. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.